are the Awakened family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a song.
Paro-paro dyan. Grabe sa'yo. Dalawa.
We are in Hingoog and this is actually our second day here kasi nag-camping kami sa Mountain Guru, right? Kahapon.
And wala actually kami plan na mag-vlog ngayon. But someone approached us yesterday kasi nanonood daw sila ng vlog namin. And they invited us to visit their private resort.
Yeah.
So this is actually not the first time na may nag-invite sa amin to visit their place. But ito yung first time na nag-invite sila and nagkataon na nasa same area lang.
Yeah.
So we're so excited to visit their place. Kasi yung mga ganito na may common love tayo for the outdoors. It's so interesting to meet them as well. So,
Yeah. So,
let's see.
kakatapos na naming magkape dito sa Sunville's Cafe. So, let's go!
Let's go!
Tamang-tama, magising na si Space!
Spacey is the point.
Guys,
Ano?
Hello guys!
Tinala ba ko yung
I think yan na yun. Yan na yung pinakita niya sa aking picture. Kasi going up tapos may hill. So let's go. We'll see what's up
waiting
there.
for us there.
Yeah.
Pagdating namin, Sir Vincent welcomed us and encouraged us to hop on the UTV for a farm tour. We had no idea what was coming next.
Eyes still closed, and no one knows the things behind our shut eyelids, or where any of it leads. I was blind, hoping now my eyes are open. None of what I see makes sense. My mind's a fence, but I'm still singing. Ooh la 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 la, life goes on, and I'm not done. When everything goes up in smoke, I loved you with a
Grabe.
As soon as we hit the trails, we felt the thrill of our first ever off-road adventure with the kids.
Stopover lang kami kasi meron silang forest style na pool.
Yeah.
How can I open this?
Super Summit. Ay, bumaba na sa Summit.
Meron silang pool.
Yeah, andun.
Sa forest style pool. Water source ito, Sir Jeff?
Galing ano, sa bundok talaga.
Okay.
Kuya, sanay na oh. Nung 14, nung
Grabe. Grabe daw, ito nga ba ito? Ito yung tunay na off-roading. Wala naman kaming mga damit. Pwede na maligo. Grabe, mataas oh. Off-road experience. Yan yung napuntahan natin.
Hindi dati.
After the UTV ride, Miss Irene gave us a tour of the farm. They've built container rooms, and it's clear that this private farm was designed with families in mind, perfect for hosting friends with kids. And while it's not open to the public, we couldn't help but admire how thoughtfully they created this space, making it a fun and welcoming retreat for loved ones. They have a camper and it's huge.
Wow.
Wala mga amigo.
Sir Vince, salamat kayo sir.
Kita po.
Sige, mas magsapon sa dalan. Thank you kayo.
So, ayan, we're finally going somewhere else pero within this area. Hindi actually kami na-expect na mag-vlog kami today pero it's just, it warms our hearts talaga na receiving comments from people who are watching our videos, or Vincent, Miss Rose, Miss Irene, and to everyone for welcoming us here in this beautiful farm kasi private property siya. So thank you.
And naka-ATV din tayo,
Oh,
right?
naka-UTV.
UTV, yeah.
We are glad na na-experience ni Summit kanina. Sumisigaw siya.
Grabe, unexpected.
Oh, it's so parang feel mo din off-road ka. Na-hype.
Ito pala yung daan, going there.
And parang private road siya, guys. We are back in the camp and medyo mahirap kasi wala kaming awning during this trip.
I put woodman. Woodman cause aning man. Siyak ko.
So, eto na, dumating na pala yung ano natin, inverter. So, from 220, ang lalabas dito is 12 volt DC. So, eto na yung 12 volt, inattach ko na siya. So, ito yung nagpa-power ng LED lights namin, ito. So, naka-plug siya sa 220. So, pwede din to sa car charger and any power station. So, yeah, ganito siya. So,
Ayan.
yan.
At least now we have 3 options.
Yeah, so ipa-plug natin. Yeah, yan.
Yeah.
It's a good thing na meron tayong different options kasi kung ano yung available, yun yung gagamitin natin. So, ngayon meron kaming power source. So, yung 220 or power source yung gagamitin natin. So, hindi masasayang yung power station or yung battery ng sasakyan.
Tayo.
It's getting late. Come na. Okay, Papa will prepare dinner.
Remove my shirt. Shirt.
Okay. Can you please
Can you
remove?
remove my shirt?
Okay, hands up.
Shirt. I'm in my jacket.
Oh no. Put you. Remove your jacket. Oh, thanks for the help, Kaka.
Hands.
Slowly. Okay, that's enough. Wash your hands. Okay. That's right. Another one.
It's not working. For our jackets, for our shirts. What else?
Hindi kami masyadong nakalabas today since umuulan. So, naglaro lang yung mga bata until evening inside the van. Nice. Space! No, you go down.
The ride, what's this? UTV.
Yeah. Earlier,
It
right?
was very fast and then it was raining of mud.
It was raining on mud. Did you have fun?
Did you have fun? Do you like
And
riding?
next, guys, when I'm big, I want to ride an ATV. Bye-bye.
Why do you want to try the ATV? Why do you want? Why do you want to try the ATV?
Because I don't like the kukuleka.
Oh, face. Sit down. I cannot give you if you're not sitting down.
Hello, guys. This is a horseback ride. So this is our trail run at our back. See, this is our bucket tree at our back. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Good night na sa amin.
Good night, guys. Good night, guys. So, guys, good night. We're gonna off the lights already. We're gonna eat pa, but while we're sleeping,
What do you mean?
Say good night. I'll turn off the light.
on the light.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
When you're older, I'm gonna miss the way you play with toys. Your little voice, the way you smile, every single noise. The years go so fast, I wanna make them last. Slow down, don't grow up, never forget my love. You could be anything that you wanna be. Find love, have kids, make a family. You could even be a scientist.
Tablea.
Never would have
Pure tablea disc.
Oo. Disc ba tawag dito?
Nabili namin kahapon.
Oo. 200 pesos. Ito na. 8 pieces. And I think hindi namin uubusin to. So,
Once cooked, it's called sekwate.
Sekwate
Mostly
dito.
dito sa Mindanao.
ano ba tawag sa...
Basically, known siya parang hot chocolate or hot chocolate. But very known siya dito sa Mindanao as sekwate.
Yeah, we will cook. Ano, you will try after, ha? Yeah, very hot.
First time pala namin mag-cook ng onse kwate. So, let's see kung anong result nito.
It will turn brown when you put it in hot water.
Yeah.
It's almost melting.
So, wala tayong ibang milk. Ito lang yung dala natin. So, let's use this. I think dapat 4 yung lagay natin. nagbigas yung oil namin dahil sa lamig.
Frozen.
Yan, nag-frozen.
Yun yung ano ng coconut oil. Breakfast is ready.
For the mix it sa lamig kay lalab.
It's very hot.
Grabe kay ka-creamy.
Basig sobra ra. It tries sa daw.
Lamig ilgi. It's very lamig.
Okay,
Mura- It's like drinking a chocolate yun.
Mm.
Different yun siya. Kay it's like chocolate drink yun.
But with
Pakita.
How's the taste?
Mas masarap. Na walang bias. Kasi at least, kung kami yung gumagawa, makokontrol mo yung sugar, diba? And cream and milk.
So, yeah, tapos na kami kumain.
Oo.
And tapos na din tayo magsikwate, right?
Good job sa Sikwate.
We just wanna share our experience with you guys kahapon, di ba? So, naka-experience tayo mag-ATV and
UTV.
UTV and mag-room around dun sa private resort. So, actually, wala kaming plan na mag-vlog talaga kahapon.
Oo, kasi we were here with friends na nag-camp lang kami with friends, and luckily someone approached us yesterday, si Sir Vincent. Hi, Sir Vincent.
hello.
And he invited us actually to visit his private farm. And nagkataon, malapit lang, actually dito lang sa area. So, ayun, nag-decide kami to drop by.
Oo, and hindi namin in-expect na aside sa tour, papakainin pa tayo.
Hindi yung expectation natin. Kasi di ba sabi niya na visit the area. Kasi yung isa sa consideration namin to camp is safe sa kids. So, yung plan is just to see the area.
Yeah, oo.
And then, pagdating namin, medyo na-awkward kami kasi meron palang gathering.
Oo.
Ang dami nila. And then, aside from that,
Yeah, yun.
UTV pa nila tayo.
Oh, aside sa
And
UTV
tinor.
and food.
Oo.
So, very, very
Thankful and
dun.
grateful for this experience. And sa UTV, anong
Yung UTV talaga, si Summit, grabe nag-enjoy na talaga siya. Kasi every time nakakita tayo ng UTV or ATV, gustong-gusto niyang sumakay.
Oo.
Yung UTV na sinakyan natin is meron siyang seatbelt.
adjustable.
Na-experience na yun. And it's a one-time experience din.
Oo. And yung UTV na yun, it's a whole different level, guys. Grabe.
Oo.
Pero you can probably experience it somewhere else. Pero yung specific vehicle na yun, it's different and so expensive.
Yeah.
Oo.
I think sabi kasi ni Sir Jeff, yung price daw ng Polaris kasi yung brand ng UTV na yun. Nasa around 3.5 million daw. Excluding pa yung mga upgrades ng mga shocks.
Sabi niya
mga ganun.
parang total cost, parang Land Cruiser daw yung price. Grabe,
Oo,
no?
so yeah.
Ganun siguro talaga kamahal yung mga off-road,
Yeah,
off-road
very
adventures.
expensive. Oo. Pero
at least na-experience namin.
Yeah,
Yun
na-experience
yung
natin.
pinaka-first off-road experience
grabe
natin.
ang tulin
Oo.
tumakbo, tapos kahit malalaking bato parang wala lang.
Oo. Naalala ko yung
Napaka-smooth.
before tayo, I think after nung Wild Boars, na
Oo.
parang I was thinking,
Kaya to?
Kaya to? Kasi
Oo.
sobrang lubak.
Grabe, hindi na parang hindi
Tsaka
na daan.
deep. Oo,
Parang-
tapos pagdaan,
Parang
wala
wala
lang.
Yeah.
Hindi mo ma-feel yung, grabe yung shock ba tawag doon?
Yeah,
Ng
shock
sa-
absorbers.
Oo,
Yeah.
grabe.
So,
Na-amaze lang kami.
So, ayun nga, we just want to say thank you talaga, Sir Vincent.
Oo, Sir Vincent. Especially, we're totally strangers, but still, you guys accommodated us and welcomed us in your private resort. So, thank you so much.
Thank you din sa mga tao na nandun.
Oo,
Sila.
na nag-prepare ng food. Miss Rose, Miss Irene, and to everyone who accommodated us.
Yeah.
Ang babait talaga nila, grabe. So, maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy talaga kami. It's a different experience for us.
So, yeah. Nasaan na sila Summit?
Andoon.
Sila Summit
is
their
here.
restaurant.
So, what's your plan today?
Actually, kakilala sila ng may-ari dito, si Sir Mark.
Kilala sila.
Oh, I think cousins or parang ganun. Parang distant cousin ba?
Shout out to Sir Mark for
Ano,
always
Sir Mark?
accommodating us in this beautiful campsite.
Yeah.
So, ayun, we'll figure out kung saan kami pupunta. Kasi usually, pag nandito kami, we consider this as our home base in the
Oo.
mountains.
Yeah,
Always
dito
kami
sa
nandito.
Hingog. Dito talaga
Oo.
kami nagsistay ng
Oo,
matagal.
hindi kami usually,
Sometimes, a
5
week.
days, 4
Oh,
5,
pinakamababa
4 days.
siguro 2 days. Yeah.
So, let's see kung anong plano after.
Yeah, sige.
Decide lang muna kami. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah.
So we just dropped by para maligo and then we met someone here.
Sir Ramil.
Thank you for watching our videos. So from Butuan City, sir? No?
Going to Sidiog. Sa'yo yan.
Laag mi dito.
Oh, kita mo dyan sa Sidiog. Basta pa kadamit pohon sa Butuan, sir. Okay. Bye.
Best shower in the world. Okay lang, malapit na matapos yung ano natin,
Shower
rack. Oo, shower awning. Pag natapos na yung rack namin, which is malapit na, makakapaglagay na kami ng shower awning.
And solar panels.
And solar panel. So at least, pwede na kaming makaligo kahit saan since may cover na. Let's go, let's take a bath with Papa. Sabon sa ko. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yan na yun.